Only Ms. Deed's assassins wear kimonos made of bulletproof silk.
Blackbird at 12 o'clock.
She called you cutie.
Really? Look out!
How do I know I'm not still dreaming?
Oh, this may feel like a dream, Julius. But believe me, it's very real.